Okay, so hello everyone. Myself, Retractor Anushka Satam, TRS chair for the Aura year. So here we are today for a first episode of Beyond the Batch with none other than Protractor and past president and alumni Swapnil Kadu. Hi.
Hi, Rotarian alumni Rotractor, Swapnil Kadu here. So professionally, I am currently working with the Phenolics Industries Limited as a Mumbai head for projects. So I thank you. So wherever you see the construction happens, or the plumbing pipes, you must have seen. So this is something which Phenolics manufactures, and I handle their complete Mumbai operation, which includes Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Alibag, up to the Alibag area, and there up to Boisar. So we have different distributors, dealers. So I handle the team and distributor and complete sales specifically. I handle their sales.
So today, how are you feeling?
Really amazing. This is something which I'm doing after a long time. बहुत time के बाद हम लोग बात करें. I hope it is okay to switch in between the language. Yes. So it's after a long time I'm again interacting and doing some interview type stuff for the Rotaract. कुछ सालों से सिर्फ रोटरी में कनेक्शन कम्युनिकेशन बहुत अच्छी तरीके से चल रहा था पिछले 2-3 सालों से बट इट इज ऑलवेज great and good experience to coming back home.
Yeah, back to the roots.
Yes,
The
back to
kids
the roots. Yeah.
roaming on the street.
Not the kids. The guys with the beard is not a kid anymore. And with this particular light.
Guys, just to okay, no, it is
Okay.
attached. We can't remove it.
Okay.
Okay, so as we are here, we are gonna take you to a small journey. So with that journey, we can't just have a journey with just plain sight. We are gonna have some question and answer. So
Definitely.
are we guys ready?
Yeah. Driver is ready.
Yes. So let's just go. Okay. So first of all, I want to ask you. Like, this is the main question. जो बऱ्यापैकी खूप लोकांनी असं पर्सनल लोकांनी किंवा रोट्रॅकमधल्या लोकांनी विचारलाच असतो सगळ्यांना की हाऊ डिड यू एंड अप इन रोट्रॅक लाईक वॉज इट इंटेन्शनल और ऍक्सिडेंटल
Well, I call it as a maktub. Have you read the book Alchemist?
काइंड ऑफ मी पूरी नाही
Okay. So there is one word maktub. So it's Arabic word. Its English translation is that it is written. So I consider this my entry in the road track and rotary world is something which I feel it is as a maktub. I was born and brought up in Borivali. So I spent my first initial 18 years in Borivali itself. I was born and brought up. My school was there only. Dombili was complete new city for me, and with the MST CET result, I got an admission in for engineering in Jonli College of Engineering. So the first time I came to city, and the first plan with the family was that we will be staying in the Dombili for 4 years, and once I'm done with engineering, we will be moving back to Borivali.
Okay, so you just shifted for the engineering
Yes,
college here?
yes. Wow. We first 4 years we were staying on rent since we had planned and confirmed that we will be moving back to Dombivli. Sorry, moving back to Borivali. So the Dombivli plan was only for 4 years, and those 4 years was so amazing. Dombivli gave so great experience. So when I completed my engineering, we decided to stay here only in Dombivli itself. So we processed for the purchasing another house, and that is a different story. But on the day on which we decided that we will be staying in Dombivli only, on the same day evening, I went on Facebook and sent one message. I do have that in my DM. I sent a message on Rotary Club of Dombivli's Facebook page that hi, this is Swapnil Kadu. I want to be part of Rotary Club of Dombivli, and and how I got to know about this particular club. The past president of this particular club was my senior in college. So club used to tag him in all the posts and all the activities and the different type of events which club used to conduct. And I used to see his tag due to tag. I could see all the posts and activities which are being done from the Rotary Club of Dombivli. So I was in that motion कि अगर if I am staying in Dombivli, since I didn't know that Rotaract is a complete international body and it might be present in Borivali as well as Randeri and nothing, I had no clue. So I thought कि अरे डोंबिवली में रहना तो एक काम करते हैं आज शाम को सबसे पहला काम क्या करेंगे रोटरी क्लब ऑफ डोंबिवली को मैसेज भेजा कि मुझे ज्वाइन करना है क्या प्रोसीजर So that was the first start. This is how I entered in Rotary Club of Dombivli basically.
I can't even say if it was accidental.
I don't know why, but it was something which I think which was I entered without anyone guided me or motivated me. Most of the time, what happens is in our club, what I have seen over the years, we ask people to join. In my case, no one asked me to join. It was something that I came inside the movement like so smoothly. There was something in my mind or a brain. I don't know what it was exactly, but this is something. The entry to the movement was completely unplanned. No one pitched, nothing. I just saw post. I entered. That's it.
I have to say, like, journey like this is more surprising and memorable when you don't plan it. I mean,
Exactly.
it just happens. It's
Exactly.
like destiny that, oh, by the way, just a small thing. You came from Borivali, I came from Dadar, he came from Goregaon.
Yo, Girgaon, yo.
Standard.
So we all are from Mumbai.
Great,
Now
great,
we are
great.
staying as a proud Dombivli.
Proud Dombivli.
One of
Always
the
proud
similarity
Dombivli.
I can say it's like the first year when I came in Dombivli, I had joined the Rotary Club of Dombivli at the same year.
Yes.
So
That's great city. This is a great city to stay.
Exactly, like being a Dadar person and even being a Mumbai person, core Mumbai, I can say Dombivli has its own way and own culture.
Right, very true.
And whenever I go back to Dadar, it still feels the same because it's just the same culture, but
Yes.
there's nothing different in that. Yep. So that is a very great start to know. So the next question would be, if is it ever happened to you कि अभी रोट्रैक तो हुआ रोट्रैक में भी बहुत चीजें की है like with you and with your journey definitely you might have done hundred and thousand of different things but ऐसा which was the one thing जो किया तो आपने और आपको ऐसा लगा कि ये सिर्फ रोट्रैक में ही मैं करता नहीं तो I wouldn't have done it ever.
Oh, I do have that memory, and that is something which I cherish. I will cherish for a lifelong. So basically, so when I was the president in year 2016-17, that was the first year of RID District 3142.
Wow.
So previously there was a 3140, and in that particular year, that district got split in two districts, 3141, 3142. So I was the first president for that particular year from the Rotary Club of Dombivli. So during that year, the one project, I don't know why, but I forgot the club project's name. The project was to teach Dhol Tasha.
Wow, that's great.
The normal. कि मैंने डोंबिवली में आके सबसे पहला चीज एंड द वन थिंग व्हिच आई हैव नेवर मिस आई एम स्टेइंग इन डोंबिवली फ्रॉम 2008 नॉट अ सिंगल ईयर आई हैव मिस्ड द शोभा यात्रा ऑफ डोंबिवली नॉट अ सिंगल ईयर नॉट अ सिंगल ईयर the only intention and only love for a Dhol Tasha. I never played. I don't know how to play.
you like it.
But the energy to see that energy and the vibe and the people, that sound is so amazing and mesmerizing. So what we decided that we will have a training session. And ढोल ताशा पथक ट्रेनिंग सेशन रखेंगे हम लोग 2 दिन का एंड वी कीप दैट ओपन फॉर ऑल एज ग्रुप मतलब 5 years and above and 6 years and above. At the end of the second day, and since we were there for 2 days, people got to know that I am the president. Since people, while having small activity at the start of the event, at the end of the event, I used to speak. They mostly used to introduce me as a president of the Rotary Club of Dombivli, and I was at one particular photo and 2 photos I wore collar as well. So that particular lady got to know that I am someone. She might not be knowing that I'm president or about the organization. Nothing. The lady was approximate. She must be in early 60s. 60s, yes. She must be early in 60s. 60, 61 or something like that. She told me, Swapnil, she came to me while we had concluded the session. She came to me and she told me, boy, whatever activity you have done now, this is something great. And she was a participant for 2 days. She's told me that I was born in Dombivli. I was married and I continued staying with in-laws in Dombivli. There was a small wish from my side while I was staying in Dombivli that I wanted to learn and at least play once Dhol Tasha Pathak. In those many years, that particular one regret I always had that मैं कभी ये नहीं कर पाई. And at the age of 60, just for 2 days, she got the opportunity to tie that particular onwards and play that dhol. That is something which the moment she told me that particular experience, now that is some, see, getting a ARA, getting any type of award, recognition, that is another part. When some unknown person come to you and says that you fulfill my one wish, which I had throughout my lifetime, And due to you, I could complete it. That feeling was so awesome that I did something, at least one activity throughout the year that someone will remember lifelong that हाँ मैंने ये wish complete किया इसके वजह से और इस club के वजह से.
Wow.
So that is something which is really nice. और मुझे goosebump अभी भी आता है कि वो lady आके आंखों में पानी लाके she was like कि मैंने कभी नहीं किया था और मुझे कोई ले भी नहीं रहा था लेकिन due to and I couldn't like अगर कोई लेता है professional then they have to invest time as well, right? So लेकिन मैंने मेरा फुलफिल कर लिया विश मुझे एक बार करना था मैंने कर लिया. So that was something best moment what I would say.
रोडरॅक में आके म्हणजे ही गोष्ट मी खूप नोटीस केली आहे की आपण खूप प्रोजेक्ट करतो वर्षामधून लाईक किमान 10-20 प्रोजेक्ट तरी असे असतो की आपण करतो किंवा आपण त्यामध्ये भाग असतो पण त्यातले 2-3 क्वचित असतात
Right.
ज्यावेळी समोरचा व्यक्ती तुम्हाला सांगतो की अरे नाही मला मजा आली
Very true. Very true.
Connect is important.
Yes.
आणि ते राहतं म्हणजे ते लक्षात राहतं आयुष्यभर ती मेमरी असते की आपल्यामुळे कोणाला तरी
Yes.
एक स्माइल तरी आली बिकॉज ऑफ अस
नाही आय डोंट थिंक मी हे कधी विसरीन कारण की 10 वर्ष झाली त्या गोष्टीला. इट वॉज इन 2016 9-10 years but best memory of my route track complete movement not in district not in zone it is specifically for that particular event.
आय जनरली फील की आता डिस्ट्रिक्ट मध्ये आल्यानंतर की आपले खूप सारे फेवरेट मेमरीज हे होम क्लब मध्ये सुद्धा ज्यावेळी आपण अशा पोझिशनवर ज्यावेळी आपल्याला ही आयडिया नाही आपण काय करतो
Right.
इवन आय फील लाईक तुम्हाला पण तसं झालं की तुमचं आता जस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेपरेट झाले द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट इन दॅट डिस्ट्रिक्ट
Right.
इट वुड बी समथिंग व्हेरी अननोन की अरे आता हे कसं वर्क होणार डिस्ट्रिक्टच चेंज होतं तर ऑफकोर्स कसं वर्क होणार
Everything was new but one thing was uh, this is something I learned from my past president, the club's past president. They told me I was slightly, I was tense. District was separating. How exactly I will be the first president, and I was just 2 years old in road track journey.
Wow.
So in the first year, the very first year which when I completed officially, I was nominated as a president. I was elected as a president. So that was I was hardly when I was announced I was hardly one year in road track. That's it.
That is something very new for institutional club. Sorry, I thought
Community based club, yes, community based club.
OCB होता है. So,
That's right.
as I was saying, हे खूप वेगळं आहे. So for the public institutional club, it is college based club. So college में बहुत सारा public आता जाता है. But with community club, it doesn't work like that. We have to sustain. We have to actually put effort into it. It's not community club में आगे बाद आपको certificate नहीं मिलेगा. ये तुम्हारा credit point नहीं बढ़ने वाला in your exams and anything. So this is something which like I have a big appreciation for community club because those who are working fully on passion.
Very true.
There is nothing else you are getting out of it except the effort and passion and the memories.
Very
I
true.
have to say that. So this is something like very new thing that I heard for the first time. But in our club or any community club, we have to at least serve 2 to 3 years.
Just to add in that, we are from Rotary Club of Dombili and we had a history to have the guest member for at least 4 months, 6 months. There were cases that we used to keep the member as a guest member.
We still do, guys.
You do? That's great. So people used to get frightened when I was new in a road track na 3140 clubs के साथ मतलब जब when the district was united one district when I used to speak with those clubs from the Bandra, Jai Hind, HR College, they knew the club, Rotary Club of Dombivli. हाँ तुम्हारा क्लब का ना एंट्री बहुत डिफिकल्ट है तुम लोग गेस्ट मेंबर बहुत टाइम तिलक रखते हो सो हम लोग दूसरे क्लब के मेंबर्स को जब इन्फ्लुएंस करते थे ना पीपल यूज्ड टू से नहीं तेरा नहीं दूसरा क्लब ज्वाइन करूंगा क्योंकि वहां पे इजी एंट्री है तुम्हारे यहाँ पे पहले 3 मीटिंग अटेंड करो उसके बाद प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करो देन यू हैव टू हैव द इंटरव्यू विद द कोर टीम देन यू विल बी इंडक्टेड इन अ क्लब दिस प्रोसीजर नो वन वाज planning but this particular one activity what I think made the Rotary Club of Dombivli cross these many 50 years. So this is the main reason. So I would just suggest to the new members of club as well that keep it up. I know due to time with the new next generation we have to modify it. You can modify, but try to keep similar type of criteria so that we will go for more 50 years.
We were talking about how you became a president, but I generally feel like there might be someone in the very start who made you feel like to मुझे road track करना. Of course, अब I with accident or we can call it destiny. There's nothing coincidence. So, who was your mentor in road track?
Okay. When I connected with, as I told you, I had sent one message to Rotary Club of Dombivli's Facebook page. I got a message from the then club secretary Mayur Salvi. He sent me message that कि हमारा एक काम करना तू आना यहाँ पे हम लोग मिलेंगे मुलाकात करेंगे and देखते हैं हम लोग किस तरीके से क्या बात कर सकते हैं. So he asked me to come down to Dombivli West. I forgot the bank's name. I believe it was IDBI Bank. उसके स्टेयर्स पे शाम को 6:30 बजे हम लोग बैठे. And then came the dream catcher, dream lander. I forgot that particular tag. That was something which was very much famous in that particular year for the next incoming president, and the president was Amit Lad. Dream catcher or something. But something related to dream. And उसने मुझे मयूर told me that me and president would be coming. तो मुझे पता चल गया था अमित आ रहा है. And I was like, क्लब का प्रेसिडेंट आ रहा है. मैं पूरा तैयार व्यार होके गया था. I was like completely prepared, फॉर्मल ड्रेस डाल के प्रॉपर, मतलब इंटरव्यू. Someone is taking interview and president is coming. See, for me, the tag of a president, it was so huge that भाई president आ रहा है, तो I have to be presentable, right? So उसने मुझे बोला बैंक के यहाँ पे आना, तो I went and हम लोग वहीं पे स्टेयर्स पे बैठे. And literally, Amit and Mayur both told me about the Rotaract and Rotaract Club of Dombivli for next 3 hours. We were sitting there from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. और मैंने जो उस 3 घंटे में सीखा और जो उन्होंने बताया, I followed each and everything. Throughout the Rotaract journey, whatever limitations, things which you have to do, you should not do, and which type of, and we belong to which legacy. This is something which they told me that in the first 3 hours, that is something which changed everything. That is something which motivated me to continue. At least the base was made so strong, and just by, as I was mentioning about Amit Lad, we are passing from his building. So he stays here in this building. So hi Amit, thank you.
We'll tag him.
Yes, is he home? No, he's not home. His car is not here. So he's not home.
Park here only?
He parks here. He parks here inside his main gate.
Next time,
Yes.
you will be also there.
Yes, Amit will be there definitely. But
He has to be there.
thank you Amit and Mayur. These were the two main contributors when I got to know about the Rotaract. These were the first one. And post that, can I add 2 more?
Yes.
Okay, so post that, when I was becoming the president, I was not ready for this particular position because I was hardly 1 year old in the club, and there were few members who had, I never compared, no one compared with each other, but at the same time they were older than me with a Rotaract experience. So I was thinking, अरे मैं तो 1 ही साल पुराना हूँ, how I could be the president elect for this particular club, and the legacy of, I was the 44th president. So previous 43 president, the legacy and whenever I used to go in a zonal events, district event, they used to, अरे Rotaract Club of Dombivli. They had that respect. Rotaract Club of Dombivli से है. तो वो जो है, मैं बोला ये कैसे करूंगा, मुझे पता ही नहीं है Rotaract 21 साल हुआ है अभी तक, पॉइंट्स और बाकी आ रहा कुछ नहीं पता. But there were 2 people who motivated me and constantly supported me. One is Veer Dhaval Tarpade, again a past president, and Rotaract, alumni Rotaract, and now Rotarian Chetan Gaikwad. He is again a past president. So basically, Veer Dhaval was my IPP. So I was the president, 44th president. Veer Dhaval was 43rd president. 42nd was Amit, and 45th was Chetan. So I was Chetan's IPP. So Chetan and Veer Dhaval, in Veer's year, Chetan was the club secretary. So both of them motivated me so well. एंड लिटरली वीर के साथ वो थाने ऑफिस में था तभी, वो हर शाम को रात, वी यूज्ड टू कम बैक टुगेदर इन ट्रेन, मैं उसका ट्रेन पकड़ता था, एंड वी यूज्ड टू कम बैक इन वो सिंगल ट्रेन, और वो आधे 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स ही स्टेज नियर बाई माय हाउस. सो हम लोग एक साथ घर पे लगाते थे, एंड ही यूज्ड टू स्पीक ओनली अबाउट द Rotaract, कि किस तरीके से तूने किया तो किस तरीके से तू आगे बढ़ सकता है, तेरे में क्या चेंजेस आ सकते हैं. He used to highlight that literally for 1 week continuous, Monday to Saturday he did that, and then on Sunday I filled the form. So these were the 4 people who motivated me, and they created a base so strong in me, due to which I could go long. That base was strong. Base was very much necessary. Yeah. And one more thing, basically मेरे college, engineering college के जो friends हैं, those whenever we meet, they always address me as a president. I don't know why, मतलब for them it is like अभी तो प्रेसिडेंट था. मैं बोला कि 1 ही साल था भाई. बोला नहीं, हमारे तो प्रेसिडेंट है, हम में से कोई बिल्डिंग की कमेटी का भी प्रेसिडेंट नहीं था. So you were president at least once. So whenever they call me, it is something like president. अरे president को बुला उसके साथ जाएंगे president आ रहे करके. So this is something which is special about a road track.
It's like जो पहले ईयर में जो पोजीशन पे जो लोग थे they stay the same. Okay, like this is one thing theory I got to know कि जो नाम था वही नाम सेव होता है. So for my year Vinayak was VP. So for a very long time I had Vinayak VP.
Very true.
It
That
just
happens.
happens. Like I was his year president, so in my head it's like always his year president.
Right, right.
So this is one thing, like even if like now there is my fellow member like Itza Vinta, we are together almost in everything. We were together during his year, then we are in district also together. We are in the same team. So every time I see her, I'm like, "Arey PIS थी ना वो मेरी year की." So I just remember her like that.
Nice. That happens every time.
It's just in road track, you can have 100 of position, but you always remember them by the first position they had.
Very true.
So
Very
you being a president, you'll always be a president.
So I was a president, and before that I never had any position. So that was the thing. I was a treasurer in Veer's year. I was a treasurer, but it was hardly 6 months when I was elected.
But that is just a side note. अभी actually kidnapping वाले area से shoot आ रहे हैं, look like that.
We're heading towards Ganesh Ghat.
Yeah. Second location.
And the
At
phone
least
में
the criteria.
You can talk. You're very shant.
We are moving from Dombivli, right? We need to have each and every corner right.
I can't help it. Being Dombivli one thing you would know is khadde and auto wale.
But peak hours, we are
Still, this road has improved a lot.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
चिकन होता भैया खूप जास्त चिकन.
Exactly
खड्डे.
तसंच दिसतंय.
हाँ, दलदल सारखं.
So आता आपण रोडबद्दल म्हणजे खूप काही असं बोललो की how it there were people who helped you out and everything. But is there what actually road track made you go out of your way as a comfort zone? Okay, you had to do it because you know a lot of people think of road track as a challenge. Like they get to know about challenge a lot. Even today, like this year's theme, district theme is beyond X, and the main statement of it is like going beyond your X challenge, like whatever it be. So what did you face and what was the one thing that you felt like अरे ये क्या मतलब comfort zone के भारत में गया ही for road trip? So what was that one thing?
One thing which always I'm thankful for the road track is that I generated that particular personality in which I can speak in front of a people. From childhood, I was completely introvert guy, complete shy person, a bookworm. You can call me. So in that, I had very few friends in school and college as well. Hardly one or two. And they used to connect me only on a festival or something like we used to wish each other birthday wishes. That's it, nothing else. So in road track, I got that particular personality boost up. I could speak in front of people. One thing again to highlight, I was a cultural secretary in my college, Donley College of Engineering. In my last year, I was in student council. I was a cultural secretary. I was good at execution. No problem. But that was something which I was good at, the things which are related to the backstage, not coming on the stage. Since I was a cultural secretary, I was asked to come on stage and speak something to guide the audience, guide the students. Since I was a cultural secretary, and the complete ODC, the cultural festival which we had, was supposed to come under my avenue. So I had 5 minutes to speak. When I went on stage, after looking at 1,000 students sitting, though I had already prepared all the written speech, I just couldn't utter any word. I couldn't speak much. Hardly लास्ट में पहले 1 मिनट तो मैं शांत बैठा, बोला कि भाई इतने लोग सामने से चिल्ला रहे हैं, इनको रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे करना है. तो मैंने बाद में वो पेपर निकाला, आगे रखा. इट टुक 30-40 सेकेंड्स, सब शांत. बाद में थोड़े शांत हुए. देन आई लिटरली रेड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर पेपर. बस मैंने वो कर दिया एंड जस्ट रैन फ्रॉम द स्टेज. जैसे मैंने लास्ट वाला थैंक यू वेरी मच, आई होप यू विल एंजॉय, नीचे आ गया. दिस इज अ पार्ट 1. Cut to 6 years after that particular incident, we had an alumni meetup in a college, and I joined post my college. I joined Road Track after completing my college. As I told you, when we decided to continue in Dombivli, we decided to continue to stay in Dombivli that day time. Cut to, we had an alumni meetup and this was specifically alumni meetup. And in prior, few departments had asked that few people can come on dais, uh, three, four people from each branch and speak about their previous journey and everything. So that time I again went up. And on that day, when I spoke, I definitely know there were people who were there on the first day, that particular day when I was speaking as the cultural secretary and when I was speaking as an alumni. But I could see the difference in myself. I didn't plan anything. I just went on the stage. The crowd was, since that was an alumni meetup, the crowd was more than 1,500 people on complete ground. I could speak without paper, without any
Hesitation.
any hesitation, any tense mood or anything. Like मैं वहां पे गया, मैं जाके बोल के आया सब कुछ. I knew I could do, because only thing is I received that platform in a road track for those 6 years. तो मैं हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं क्लब, आई वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट के टाइम में इतनी बातें की, जोनल लेवल पे बातें की, हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे बातें की. तो ये आई गॉट दैट एक्सपीरियंस टू स्टैंड देयर, फेस द क्राउड and speak. So that is something which I personally feel that वो एक change मेरे में जो आया, तो as a cultural secretary couldn't speak anything, and after 6 years, so same stage, same college, I could speak everything very confidently. That is the first part. Second part, in my profession as well, whenever we have the team meetups and everything, my team members always give mic to me. दैट इज समथिंग विच इज ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड कि वो लोग मुझे पूछते ही नहीं है. दे नो दैट इसको ही देना, यही बात करेगा. मतलब कोई रिटेलर मीट होते हैं इन द प्रोफेशन इन विच आई एम, वी हैव टू कंडक्ट सम इन्फ्लुएंसर मीट्स, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स मीट, वी हैव टू हैव सम स्मॉल एजेंडा, थोड़े से मीट एंड ग्रीट होते हैं. तो यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द कंपनी, थोड़े 15-20 मिनट का सेशन होता है. तो उसमें हमेशा दे, लाइक आई नो दैट वो माइक मेरे पास ही आने वाले, नो वन टेक्स दैट माइक, यही बात करेगा, यही बात करने वाले. पिछले 4 सालों से मैं ही कर रहा हूँ सिर्फ. नो वन टेक्स दैट माइक. दैट कॉन्फिडेंस फॉर मी, फ्रॉम द बीइंग दैट इंट्रोवर्ट एंड बुक वॉर्म गाय, वो जो था, वो मेरे लिए पूरा लाइफ चेंजिंग था. एंड दिस इज समथिंग which has changed a lot as a personality in me. So Rotary, and I always highlight that, and it's the same thing which I told my colleagues as well. तो उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि भाई हम लोगों ने भी एमबीए किया यार तेरे जैसे, तो हम लोग, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू डिड डिफरेंट दैट यू कैन स्पीक सो कॉन्फिडेंटली ऑन द स्टेज. तो भाई मैंने रोट्रैक अलग किया. आई डिड रोट्रैक डिफरेंट. I received that opportunity. I got that opportunity that I could speak in front of a people, and the another part, best part, no one will laugh on me. You speak with a bad English, with a bad grammar, whatever it is, but people won't laugh you back. They will motivate you. That confidence Rotaract gave me. So this is something which is the best part.
Has it ever happened or have you ever been that person जिसको रोट्रैक्ट की वजह से एक अप मिला in your professional life, like a upper hand?
Okay, that is really nice question. And again, I would like to highlight on that factor. So when I was a president, and every president in every Rotary club, they have to motivate. I'm being very blunt. Excuse me with the words. They have to motivate people and students to do the things unpaid. उनको मोटिवेट करना है बिना पैसे दिए for a cause. You have to motivate people in that way. In case of a profession, sorry, तो वो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस इस तरीके से मिला मेरे प्रोफेशन में, दैट यू हैव टू टेल एंड गाइड पीपल इन सच अ वे दैट दे विल डू द थिंग्स फॉर यू. देखो, काम करना, लोगों को पैसे मिल रहे काम करने के, दिस इज वन पार्ट, बट लोग काम करेंगे अच्छी तरीके से बिकॉज स्वप्निल ने बताया करके. ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस है, ये मुझे रोट्रैक से मिला. And that is something which is different for me and which was helpful for me as well in my profession. कि मेरे when they decided to have the manager level, unanimously they decided that yes, Swapnil can be our Mumbai manager, and no one objected, and had a good relationship with everyone, and did have that communication with everyone कि भाई किसी ने कभी ऑब्जेक्ट ही नहीं किया और डिफरेंशिएट भी नहीं किया जब भी मैनेजर बनने के बाद. Though they have to report me or something like that, but they followed each and everything, and though I was inexperience in this particular profession previously, like मेरा industry background अलग है. So I came from the B2B business and here I'm handling the retail segment as well. So retail वालों का experience मेरे से ज़्यादा है. But still I'm managing them. I know I have some experience but not up to their level. But still I'm managing them just only because of soft skill. To manage the people in a perfect way and कंसिडरिंग देयर वैल्यू. देखो कंपनी ने काम करने के लिए 4 लोगों को बोला है, टास्क दिए हुए, केआरए सेट किया हुआ है, दैट इज फाइन. बट लोग सिर्फ काम के लिए काम मतलब पैसे के लिए काम नहीं करते. व्हेन दे कम ऑन वर्क दे हैव टू हैव दैट connect with the people, connect with their superior. Not, I won't call me as their superior, but team leader. Whenever they communicate daily basis, तो उनको एक कॉन्फिडेंस रहना चाहिए कि हाँ इस बंदे को जिसको मैं बता रहा हूँ ना वो मेरी चीजें मानेगा, कंपनी के हिसाब से भी देखेगा, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही विल पुट मी फर्स्ट एज वेल. मेरा फायदा होगा इसके अंदर, इसके साथ बात करने. ऐसे नहीं कि ये सिर्फ उसका काम करवा के लेगा. So that confidence ना something to manage people. See, 2 लाइन में बताओ तो if as a leader in a Rotact teaches you to manage people without giving you or that particular guy money. When you are getting money to manage the people, that task becomes easier because there is no motivation and you are motivating people to come in the morning 4 a.m. for milk collection on महाशिवरात्रि. 4 बजे आ जाओ भाई, तुम लोगों को सब बर्तन लेके आने हैं, तुम लोगों को लाइन में लोगों को पिच करना है और उसके टाइम सेंटिमेंट भी हर्ट नहीं होने चाहिए. ये सब चीजें प्लान करके लोगों को मोटिवेट करना है. एंड हियर यू हैव टू आस्क द गाय टू कम बी ऑन टाइम वेयर ही इज गेटिंग पेड. इट इज ऑलवेज इजियर टास्क बिकॉज ही इज गेटिंग पेड. तो जब आपको वॉलेंटियर्स को गाइड करने के लिए एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाता है ना, दैट ड्यूरिंग दैट फेज यू जनरेट दैट क्वालिटी कि हाँ उसको खुश करना, उसको इन्वॉल्व करना है उस एक्टिविटी में, देन यू कैन डू कंप्लीट द एक्टिविटी. The same logic when you go to the professional world, it happens the same way. You have to have that activity, but you cannot remove the human part of that particular profession or that activity. वो human connect रहता है. Each individual, हर कोई मेरी टीम में हम अलग है. There are few with a short tempered nature, कुछ पंक्चुअल है स्पेसिफिक जो खुद टाइम पे आते हैं दूसरों को गाली डालते, वो टाइम पे क्यों नहीं आया. अलग कैटेगरी के वाले लोग. एंड you could manage each and everyone. And another second part quickly would be you can understand the another person's personality within 5 minutes while having a discussion with him. उसके बात करने के तरीके से पता चल जाता है भैया ये अगला मूव क्या करने वाला है, क्या बात करने वाला है. बिकॉज इन रोट्रैक यू इंटरेक्ट विद सो मेनी पीपल, इतने लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्शन हो जाता है कि तुम लोगों को पता चल जाता है कि देयर आर इन टाइप्स, इन ईच इंडिविजुअल इज अ डिफरेंट. बट स्टिल देयर आर फ्यू कैटेगरीज ऑफ पीपल कि हाँ इसके दो इंटरेक्शन से पता चलेगा तीसरा वाला क्या करने वाला है. इसके हैबिट से पता चल जाता है. मॉर्निंग में कभी आता है, शाम को क्या करता है, उसके हैबिट से थोड़ा अंदाजा लगता था उसके पर्सनालिटी के बारे में. सो दैट जनरली सी अदर पीपल कैन ऑलवेज गिव their team members or another colleague very well in a few time span, but definitely if you have the Rotaract experience, your time span will become half. आप कम टाइम में अंडरस्टैंड कर पाओगे सामने वाले का पर्सनालिटी क्या है, बिकॉज यू हैव इंटरेक्टेड 200 250 300 पीपल. if you have spent at least 5 years, you must have interacted, if you have spent 5 years in Rotaract, then you must have interacted at least 200 250 people different level, like club members है, directors है, zonal level पे, district पे, लोगों की पर्सनालिटी डिटेक्ट करना ना इजी हो जाता है.
Means, as you said कि the first statement I want to highlight is about like ये काम करना है बट ये काम स्वप्निल ने बोला है तो कर रहा है. So this is one thing I feel कि रोट्रैक में बहुत everyone has a mentor, everyone has that one person जो उनके as you said not superior but leader है, but you trust him so much that you are ready to do the work
Right.
because he said so, or he or she whoever it be, you are very ready to do it. And I guess that is a trust when you get to know a person in Rota, because as आपने बोला it is not like paid. This whatever we do, it's not paid.
It's completely voluntary.
Exactly, more than voluntary. Like even voluntary sounds like something we are doing it all because we love it and we are
Right.
very passionate about this.
Very true.
And in the end of the day, we guys don't get happiness through money. We get happiness through smiles that we spread and every cause that we are fulfilling. So that is one thing. But when you see from this point of view कि किसी को तो सुबह बुलाना है, like I guess हम तीनों बेटे तीनों कभी ना कभी लीडर थे, even if it's a small thing, we were leaders, so we know कि किसी को तुम्हें सुबह बुलाना है, it is a very huge. We have to personally call them कि अरे उठो.
Very true.
आना
किया है मैंने,
है.
ये सब कर लिया.
Everyone
Yes.
has done it. But the thing is कि still लोग show up करते just because बुलाया है.
Right.
And that is one thing which I feel कि that is very huge achievement you can have. Anyone can have personally, and I think you both will agree. You
Very
being the
true.
past president and everything, him being a zonal director, we agree. Like you can agree, guys, on this part. कि if तुम call करके कोई आ रहा है तुम्हारे लिए, that is something कि तुमने बहुत बड़ी चीज achieve किया है.
Very true.
Because in this world you don't find people who will do it. So
Definitely.
that I have to say. That's a good thing. Okay.
Bye,
Creativity
guys.
creativity